Maybe hard to believe, but we actually have some drier weather in the forecast when you're looking at Storm Patrol Viper right now. Still have some very persistent rain, especially south of Fort Myers. Heaviest rain right now in Collier County. Not moving all that much. Easterly wind today and a sea breeze that likely tried to develop. The two of them kind of converging on top of us, so these showers just not moving all that much. A lot of them kind of blossoming as they get closer to the coast. Picked up some real heavy rain in Estero and Bonita Springs, over 2 inches of rain there, and nearly 4 inches of rain in Golden Gate, hence those flooding pictures that we showed you about 2 minutes ago. Things getting drier in Charlotte County. Here's a cell that's popped up real close to Matlacha, moving over Pine Island. However, obviously drier weather for the Cape, but as you get south of Page Field, that's where the rain has been heavy for the last hour, starting to get a little bit lighter, but still a good shower right here on top of Estero Island, Fort Myers Beach. This one moving toward Bonita Beach. Then as we get farther south into Collier County, that's where the rain is the heaviest right now. This shower probably going to have to rain itself out, and it's not going to do that until after about 8:30, 9 o'clock or so. Everglades City and Chokoloskee, still some good rain for you. Marco, you've been missing out on some of the rain, but I think you'll get some here in the next hour or so. Let's do a future scan. This is the way the radar looks right now. Obviously, the heaviest rain from Bonita Springs southward. As we go ahead to the next hour, this shower, well, starting to move a little bit farther into the Gulf. Drier weather once we get past about 8 o'clock north of the Caloosahatchee. These showers continuing till about 9:30, 10 o'clock if you're south of the Caloosahatchee. So obviously the farther south you go, the wetter it's going to be this evening. Best bet if you're heading out tonight, bring the umbrella. By midnight, we'll be mainly cloudy with 75 degrees and 5 a.m. Actually a little bit comfortable with those temperatures falling into the low 70s by tomorrow morning. Getting drier in the short term, but by the weekend, here's a cool front that's going to be approaching the state of Florida. It's not going to make it to southwest Florida, but that cool front may have a major impact on our weather next week. Here's meteorologist Michelle Cunningham.
That's right. We're watching it because the possibility of it picking up our next tropical system, which could be Tropical Storm Jerry over the next couple of days. If that cold front were to make it across the southeastern United States, it could pick up what is Jerry and then move it across the Florida Panhandle. So it's something we're watching. And again, it's long-term, long-range models. Nothing going to happen right now. We're still watching for this area of low pressure to move into the Bay of Campeche. The Hurricane Center has given it a 70% chance that it will become our next tropical system. So we're watching that. In the short term, though, some drier air moves in. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're watching a northeasterly wind, that drier air building in, and you can see by 1, 2, 3, yes, we will see showers and thunderstorms developing tomorrow. Not quite as early and not quite as widespread as we've seen today, but it looks like tomorrow fairly active. Then once we get to Friday, it looks like that drier air will continue to move in, and then, yes, we will again see afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but not as widespread. Saturday looking a little bit better as well. So you can see on Friday the showers stay a little bit further to the south, not quite as widespread. As we put this into motion on Saturday, you can see a little bit drier as we're getting into 10:15, 11:15. Here we go through the afternoon hours. So again, can't rule out the possibility for a few showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Friday, but again, not nearly what we've been seeing over the last couple of days. Using the Power 4 zone forecast, our inland communities will see the showers developing first tomorrow in our northeastern quadrants and then kind of scoot their way a little bit closer to the harbor zones and into the Gulf of Mexico. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms in our harbor zones with east-northeasterly winds at 7 to 9 miles per hour. And again, it looks like northern Lee County best to see those showers as they move out into the beaches. For the boaters, we're looking at winds diminishing throughout the day, northeasterly becoming northerly at 5. Scattered showers and thunderstorms the next couple of days and a little bit of a decrease in activity on Saturday. We're going to watch that tropical system moving into the Bay of Campeche, and it's going to be a great day to take us with you. Interactive radar, foxmorenow.com. You can take us on the go and see where those showers and thunderstorms are.